Did you know the global threat hunting market revenue reached 2.3k US dollar millions in 2023, and it is expected to grow at a CAGR of 18.6% between 2023 and 2033. Hi, I'm Sayam, and today I'm going to give you 5 compelling reasons to learn threat hunting with Infosec Train. This course covers a wide array of topics ranging from threat intelligence to network and endpoint threat hunting, providing participants with a holistic understanding of cybersecurity threats and how to combat them effectively. With labs at the end of every module, participants will gain practical, real-world experience in identifying and mitigating cyber threats in a simulated environment. Explore threat hunting methodologies such as intel-driven, hypothesis-driven, and request-driven hunting, along with hybrid approaches, ensuring participants are equipped with the technologies to proactively hunt down threats. Delve into MITRE ATT&CK framework, understanding its matrices, tactics, techniques, and procedures, and learn how to apply this knowledge effectively in threat detection and response scenarios. Gain proficiency in essential tools like your SIEM or ELK Stack, Python for threat hunting, and Sysmon, empowering participants with the necessary skills to leverage these tools in real-world threat hunting scenarios. Isn't that amazing? So what are you waiting for? Join the ranks of our successful alumni who have transformed their career with Infosec Train. Enroll today and become a master threat hunter. Thank you.